everyone. Today we're gonna be making Minecraft mobs out of Legos. We're doing a build challenge. The only problem is I don't know how to vote. If you liked Henry's more, like the video, and if you liked mine more, save the video, unless you don't like challenges. So what mob should we make?
So first let's start off with the creeper. The classic Minecraft mob.
Okay, a creeper.
Yep.
Next.
Maybe zombie.
Okay. And last.
And think of a hard one.
A challenge one.
Ender Dragon.
No, man, no. How about a Ravager?
Yeah, Ravager, that's good.
Okay. Those are the 3 mobs we'll be making. Let's waste no time. Let's go.
We're building with this box of Legos. Henry's gonna be on the opposite side now. Shoot. Okay, we're gonna be sharing the same box, and we're gonna be seeing who builds the better one. Okay. Open. Unbox it. There we go. Don't need these. There, middle. Wait, maybe we should turn this around. Go there. So it's smart. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So what were we? Creeper, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's set it right here. I'm going fake. I'm already started. Then basically you made your own self hard on yourself. Yeah, I like a good challenge. So, it looks hilarious. I love this. I love this so much. It's so funny. It looks horrible. I love it. Yeah, actually, you're right. This is kind of hard. Oh, if I add that up. I don't need to figure shoot. Oh. Okay. our mods on the grass to see how normal it looks compared to Minecraft. I'm done. I'm almost done. Mine looks really bad. What is this? Okay, and I'm done. Now we grab the grass and compare it. I will see yours. Looks like this. That kind of looks like a mouth. Okay, and this is mine.
So this is his mouth right here, this like blue part kind of, and these are his eyes.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, yours is really good. I like that a lot.
Okay, so whose is better?
The people watching this video, you choose which is better right now.
You already know the rules. If you like Henry, like the video. If you like mine, save the video. But don't forget, the challenge isn't over yet. We still got 2 more to make.
Yeah. And you can like the video if you want, if you don't, even if you don't like it.
Okay, now we gotta take ours apart, and now we're just gonna make a zombie because you told us to.
No, he's dead now. I definitely know what I'm gonna do for this.
Oh, we should also use this piece within spaces.
Yeah, we can if we want. There's an easier way to take apart stuff too with that.
Yeah. Okay.
If 2 ones like this
Let's-
are stuck together, it's a different way to.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna. Isn't it like this?
You put on the top one, yeah.
There.
Like that.
Okay. Now it's zombie.
3,
2. Oh, wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I was gonna take that.
Take this. Or
Okay.
you can take it.
Oh, thank you a lot. Actually, I don't need it. No, I think I don't need it. What does zombies look like again? I think they're okay. I think
Okay. Now.
I am officially done. Took a while brainstorming on that one, but never. Wait, actually, no, I'm not done.
And I think I'm done.
Well, I think I am.
While Henry works on his, I'm gonna make a test sub.
Almost.
While Henry finishes,
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. What I was gonna say though is, I made a test subject Steve to see whose is better, and which one he eats. And I also got this idea from TD Bricks. I don't know if we're not sponsoring unless you decide we are, but we're gonna use this to move them like this. Okay, I'll do mine first this time since Henry went first last time. Okay, that was mine. Henry's turn.
Well, so the zombie has his little flower.
Oh, wait, here you go.
This is.
You don't have to use that whole part.
Yeah, I do. Oh, it's my. I have a story behind this guy. His story. So this is zombie in prison. This is what he looks like. But he's in prison and he's on fire.
Yes.
Steve put him in prison because Steve doesn't like him. That was my story. And guess what? He was able to get out of prison. But then Steve put him back in prison. That's his story. That's Beautiful Boy's story. I'll take him out of his prison, and now Steve's like, hey, go back in your prison. So this is the prison. Steve soon will be able to put him back in the prison. Yes.
Bro, you should put it up. And he ripped off his legs. There. That was the Minecraft zombie.
Now, all we need to do, break Minecraft.
Take him apart. Take it apart. Oh, wait, should we keep Minecraft, Steve, for the Ravager?
No. No.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
There's not that much ground, so that's not good news.
We use gray too. Remember?
Yeah, you're right. sniffing the bricks. That looks like a horse. What? This. I am going hard on this one. I have a good story too. Okay. I am done. I have a good story behind mine. And I'm done. Okay. I'm out.
What? Henry.
I have a story. So I'll go first. So the story is, I like robotic Ravengers because they were tired of villagers. So they decided to make even more powerful robotic Ravengers. Pretend these guys are pillagers, okay? These guys are pillagers. Yes. So they're riding on it, going to raid the village. They're riding on the Ravenger to go raid the village. By the way, this brown part is supposed to be the saddle. That's saddle fell off. This saddle is right here, as you can see, right there. Transparent block. Right there. Yep.
Wait, Henry, should we battle them and see whose is better?
Yes. Mine's kind of fragile.
Anyways, here's mine. These right here is our horns. Because of the light from the window, it's hard to see, but this is actually gray. There we go. Now you can see it. Brown. And just kind of that Ravenger style. Okay, ready to battle?
I honestly think mine looks cool. Okay, let's go.
Okay, ready?
Let's go. Hey!
And mine had came off. Now that's how you know a Ravenger's gotta do what a Ravenger's gotta do.
Oops. Pillager. That's because he brought pillagers. That's the only reason he won. The only reason this Ravenger's won is because he brought some pillagers. His wheel fell off just now.
Well, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. see
And
you.
it's
And see you later. Oh, one more thing. You stay there.
I have no idea what he's doing.
Remember? Do you remember the cat from The Cat Came Back? Just him.